Hi, welcome to Market Conversations. Today we're going to talk about three penny stocks that can save lives. These are biotechnology penny stocks. So let's get started.
Just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Also, I created a Patreon page where like-minded people can talk about stocks, anything related to stocks, whether that is penny stocks, dividend stocks, growth stocks, as well as options trading and cryptocurrency. I am trying to help people grow their portfolios and create financial freedom. If you are interested, go ahead and check out my link down below. It is only 33 cents a day. You can't beat that price.
The first penny stock is Qualigen. Ticker symbol is QLGN. Qualigen is a biotechnology company focused on developing novel products for the treatment and testing of cancer and infectious diseases. Its current commercial product is the FastPack Rapid Diagnostic Testing System. This laboratory in a pouch is installed in physicians' offices, clinics, and small hospitals around the world and quickly detects diseases and medical conditions at the point of care. Since its inception almost 20 years ago, FastPack has generated more than $100 million in commercial sales. Qualigen's worldwide distributor for FastPack is Sekisui Diagnostics, a subsidiary of a multi-billion-dollar Japanese chemical and technology company. Sekisui owns approximately 15.8% of Qualigen's outstanding common shares. Qualigen's therapeutic product pipeline includes pharmaceuticals that are being developed in collaboration with the University of Louisville and other partners, and an early-stage proprietary blood cleansing system. One of them is the AS1411 and gold nanoparticle ALAN. These are drug candidates that use specialized segment of DNA, the aptamers, to target and destroy tumor cells, to enhance radiation therapy and aid in tumor scanning. Developed and previously placed into clinical trials for cancer therapeutics, the base AS1411 aptamer drug is now also being researched for halting replication of viral-based infectious diseases in humans. ALAN is expected to begin phase 1 clinical trials for cancer in 2021. Their second product is the RASF3. It's a small molecule RAS oncogene protein inhibitor that blocks the RAS mutations directly, thereby inhibiting tumor formation. A RAS gene isoform is present in about 1/4 of all cancers, including pancreatic, colon, and lung. Qualigen entered into a sponsor research agreement with the University of Louisville for development of several small molecule RAS inhibitor drug candidates. Their third product is the STARS blood cleansing system. STARS is being developed to remove tumor-produced compounds and viruses from a patient's blood. Proof of concept has been established with in vitro testing. The second penny stock is ITRM, ITRM Therapeutics. This company is headquartered in Dublin, Ireland, and is a clinical stage pharmaceutical company dedicated to developing significantly differentiated anti-infectives aimed at combating the global crisis of multi-drug resistant pathogens to significantly improve the lives of people affected by serious and life-threatening diseases around the world. They are pursuing a balanced development strategy with multiple opportunities intended to treat the organisms responsible for many serious infections, which the CDC has determined to be inadequately addressed by current therapies. Right now, there is a high failure rate with existing medications that represent the standard of care. In the US alone, over 2 million people are sickened annually with antibiotic-resistant infections, resulting in the death of 23,000 patients every year. The CDC and Infectious Disease Society of America have outlined an urgent need for new therapies to combat increasing global resistance. The company is led by the industry veteran Corey Fishman, the CEO, and Michael Dunn, the Chief Scientific Officer. So prior to founding ITRM Therapeutics, Mr. Fishman worked at Durata Therapeutics, which was acquired by activists and later on acquired by Teva Pharmaceuticals. The third biotechnology penny stock is ATOS Therapeutics. ATOS Therapeutics is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company seeking to discover and develop innovative medicines in areas of significant unmet medical need. ATOS's current focus is on breast cancer and COVID-19. They believe their innovative therapies and delivery methods can benefit COVID-19 patients and transform breast cancer treatment, with the goal of preventing breast cancer from developing in the first place. ATOS has 2 COVID-19 therapeutic programs under development, one for severely ill patients on ventilators and another for at-home use in patients recently diagnosed with COVID-19 who do not require hospitalization. They're also developing a drug, endoxifen, to reduce mammographic breast density and for patients who have recently been diagnosed with the most common type of breast cancer to reduce tumor activity prior to surgery. Approximately 1 in 8 women and 1 in 1,000 men will be diagnosed with breast cancer during their lifetime. Every 2 minutes, an American woman is diagnosed with breast cancer. 40,000 of them die each year. The American Cancer Society estimates that approximately 270,000 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer in the United States this year. It is the second leading cause of cancer death in American women. Shares of ATOS Therapeutics continue its recent ascent on Thursday, February 4th, with promising announcements related to the breast cancer drug earlier. ATOS Therapeutics said on February 2nd that substantially positive results from its Australian Phase 2 clinical trial of endoxifen prompted it to end the study early and accelerate the drug's development in the US. It is a welcome event to halt an ongoing clinical trial because the results are so overwhelmingly positive. The first 6 participants in ATOS's Australian study saw an average reduction of 74% in tumor cell activity. Moreover, the patient's tumor cell activity levels dropped below a threshold that studies have shown to improve long-term survival rates. If endoxifen continues to demonstrate promising results in clinical trials and earns FDA approval, ATOS will likely see tremendous demand for the drug. And there you go, guys, the 3 biotech penny stocks that have a lot of potential from the infectious disease and cancer therapy standpoint. This is where the real money and the real potential is.